okay for the first pass.
You shifted at 38 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Look winches on my Dodge. Get a light bar.
I ain't a weatherman, but I can predict somebody's getting 6 inches tonight.
Richard, they're call on line 1. Richard, they're call on line 1.
That's fucked.
What if it like went solid or something? Hate the chain like.
Ryan, I'll just strip this out.
Fuck up already.
Want team up?
My 7-year-old self want some chicken nuggets?
I never knew what lactose intolerant was until I met white people.
Fuck forearm muscles, bro.
I'll give you a fire content, bro.
You boys like Mexico?
You looking for your mouth?
No, bitch. Oh, here it is.
What's that mouth do though?
No. That explains why there was a bolt missing. There's no fucking thread in there. GM bolt to the rescue. Oh no, it's stuck. Oh fuck. We got lucky.
Hey, why is the torque converter on the table?
Oh fuck, forgot to put it back in.
Oh, imagine. Go fishing. 500 likes and we'll stop messing with the cars and we'll just make this a fishing channel.
Don't say that, it might happen.
We have a video, yeah, it might happen. 500 isn't that much. We have a video where Richard and I went fishing. We'll link it right here, and I caught more fish than him, so he hasn't taken me fishing since.
I think we caught the same amount.
Buddy, it's in the video. I caught more fish than you. You over there putting your fingers down the fish's throat, trying to get the buzz.
Yeah.
Like you like that, big boy? You ever watch that video? It has 8 views. Richard's most viewed video.
It's not true.
It's about the same as Levi gets us on this channel.
Considering giving up and becoming a rapper.
That's the move.
Oh my god, that's a badass kid.
That's a gay kid. Like the epitome of passing and driving around his junior.
Don't get my cut.
He's like, don't get my cut. Don't get my cut.
We're on oil now. Drain the oil while I wait.
Fix what, like the turn signal? Well then, you got some black tape, Richard?
Hopefully it doesn't fall out.
Aunt Jemima.
It's called Pearl's Milling Company now. It got canceled.
Gone but not forgotten. You thick ass bitch.
Wow.
What?
Jesus.
Oh, you don't think she's thick? She says she's not. Would be a disrespect.
Was it full or not really?
Fuck yeah.
What is it?
It's the catch can for the dump valve on the trans. Or I think it's just a fucking...
It's the overflow.
It's just an overflow from the training. So he did overfill it, or there's an issue. We'll find out eventually. Don't worry. Scientific method.
Oh my god. You can do it!
Thank you for calling Artisan. I'm going to have to put you on a brief hold. I'm recording with the customer.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay. How can I help you?
This is commercial, right?
Oh, no. Sorry. Let me put you on the other one then.
This is amazing.
Hey, buddy, y'all have any water wetter?
I sure have. Hold on. Give me double check.
Okay. I've been vibing for 30 minutes.
We gotta zip up the lines and shit underneath it.
Pick it up while I fill this up.
Pick it up while I fill it up with water. Bitch, you don't tell me what to do. I'm the boss.
Pick it up right now.
Brian! He won't pick it up!
This motherfucking radiator hose had like a
nick in it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Did that bolt grab?
I'll put 2 GM bolts.
Oh,
The
good.
top one's stripped out too, so I'll put a GM bolt
Oh,
in
nice.
all the way.
If it's stripped, GM it. I kind of want to loosen the front suspension.
Nah, get the rubber mallet and hit that shit.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
Brian!
It's all the way to the top. So that's how you check it. Like that. Oh, you want to adjust the hood now?
Might as well. Fucked it up.
It might be not. It's a little bit on the high side, but... Oh no, you got a tool stuck in there, bro. What are you trying to do? Trying to break it so we can put the other one.
This car don't need no fucking help breaking.
It does it on its own.
We'll load up the truck tomorrow morning, or just get all the tools right here and we'll load it up. We'll wire up the window thing.
No, you're shifting it.
We're gonna get the habit out of you.
Can we get a shift light at least?
No.
Put it back up.
I'm gonna make him nervous.
Fuck is that? Is it shit?
That's why I learned to wake up. You know, all the turbo kit really bad.
Anything for a turbo kit.
Let me try something.
Your hair's not long enough.
You can pull it. What do you mean?
Have to straighten it.
That's fine. Yeah, whatever it takes. Whatever it takes. It's a turbo kit, no?
Yeah. Little eBay turbo kit.
Yeah. They get you on.
That shit is not coming out.
Oh, bro.
That shit was up there for a good while, no?
Come on, it's just step by step, hopefully. Like sand it down.
You don't tell you how to tint or
No, I don't
what
wonder.
he wants to do. If we need info on how to put tint on the bubbles, we got you, fam.
Or exhaust with leaks.
Está bien. They rushed on Concha's shit. And fucking, he's like, hey, I think I have a leak. And everybody else had already gone. So it's me, him, and Richard. He pulls it up. Dude, there's a leak like this big.
Quarter inch gap.
Bro, like, fucking Jesse didn't give one fuck about Concha's. Concha's over there trying to weld. And Richard's like, no, fam, I got it.
Did it stop leaking though?
Somewhat.
It's the carbon fiber door. Fighting.
If he's able to make it work.
This one's the worst one. Fuck it, we'll put racing stripes over it.
He's like, it's not coming off. Like that girl when she drew that big dick on her face.
It's not washing off.
If you put Dawn on it, it'll come off. Like it's good enough for the dust. It's good enough for me.
As soon as you see that bitch touch 8, just fucking switch your phone. You got a big ass fucking. You got a bigger one than I do when it comes to fucking shit.
You goddamn right I do. Keep that still when he's like this. He's like, how do you like it? They put it where and how big was it? It was this big.
We're actually on the way to the Baytown track.
The truck?
No, with the blue car.
Damn, you start going to the track when I leave.
Yeah. So somebody stole your car?
Yeah, I drove 3 hours to the shop. When I got there, the car's not there. They took my car. I was like, are you fucking serious?
I mean, are you sure he didn't just relocate and he's just slowly getting cars out?
No, the lady that has the building right next to him, she told us that he got evicted like 2 weeks ago. He pulled up with a trailer. He pulled out 2 cars, my car and another car. The landlord asked him if that was his cars. He told him, yeah, these are my cars. That's why I'm pulling them out. And fucking took my car. I was like, what the fuck? I went to the police department over there. They started calling him. He wouldn't answer. Finally, this dude answers. He's like being a dick with the cop. And the cop tells him, okay, well, you want me to go with the felony charges and get the car that way? He was like, oh, if Harry would just call me. And I was like, dude, I've fucking been calling you for the last 2 weeks. He's gonna tell us the location of where the car's at tomorrow. I was like,
that sounds sketchy
so the
as
cop
fuck.
said, I know, there's gonna be cops coming with us. It's fucking weird.
This is good content, man.
I know, but at the same time, I can't like post some shit like that because I can get sued for defamation of character.
You just don't say his name and blur out his face. I mean, Whistling Diesel does it.
I know. I'm gonna release some stress later. I'm gonna go put the Camaro on 25 pounds and make it hit.
No, 30 pounds, 13 degrees. Bump it up to 15 on the track. If it lets go, it's gonna let go, buddy.
I know. I wish I wasn't busy today. I'd drive down there too.
Well, I hope you get it back.
All right, keep
Good
me
luck.
updated. Let me
Yeah.
know what it does.
All right, bye.
Later, guys.
That's not good.
Bro, they jacked his shit.
Yeah, they just stole his fucking car. Just outright. Why would you steal a fucking YouTuber's car, first off? Like, this guy already sounds like an asshat.
He doesn't sound like a top tier criminal.
No, not a very smart one either. Whatever. We're on the way to the track right now. We got the Mustang in the back. There is a private rental at HRP. We stopped to get diesel and a couple drinks and snacks and shit. I got hit on.
Yeah, that was weird.
It was weird.
She looked like a bronchiosaurus though.
Yeah, she got
that neck for days.
Yeah, she had a long neck. Car's fixed. We fixed it. Fixed it, I guess. We're gonna see if it goes any faster and if Brian can manage to not shift as he launches.
Was it 38?
Like 38, yeah. We just really wanted to fix the issue with the tensioner on the secondary chains. That's fixed. We'll see what happens, I guess.
That bitch caught air when he went over the train tracks.
Bruh, saw an air gap in the back of the 315s.
This chick at the fucking Sunoco, she's like, oh, well, you got a little sweet tooth, huh? And I'm like, yeah, what of it? It's like, I guess you like sweet stuff a lot. And I'm like,
I'm sweet.
They stole Harry's car.
Wait, what?
Yeah,
Which one?
his Corolla.
No way. It felt shitty. Like up top, like the converter, like it took a while to grab.
It sounded like it just laid over
Yeah.
when it shifted.
It seemed like it launched and then it fell off. I fell on its face a little bit and I had to like stay on it. How many boosters was that?
Should be a lot of boost.
8.7 and 154. Kind of lazy. The DA is there. The track hooks up is good. Where did I?
Something's off. Because it said it saw 71 pounds of boost.
Ah, okay.
It's not looking good, fool.
I mean, the turbos only make 40 pounds, so it's fine.
I can't see the problem. Is it really even a problem?
Hard to argue with that logic.
They went 870s on 8.
I broke it.
Broke
what?
it? Oh no, we suck again.
Third time this year. I should have left you at the shop. I don't trust you.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Why?
I got a bad feeling about this R2.
Thank God, it's me again.
I just talked to you yesterday when you didn't pull out. What do you want me to do for you now?
Hey, do your burnout sin miedo, way.
You get mad when I do a long burnout. You get mad when I do a short burnout.
I need a good burnout. Hey, where them donuts at though?
I ate them all.
Did you really? Jesus.
Oh boy, stress eating.
I'm fucking hungry. I'm out here when I'm supposed to be working. Wait till I send this guy an invoice.
Like, why? What's the point of it being this cold? There's no reason for this. None.
Better D8.
Okay, there's one good reason.
He had just got the car back. It's like raining. We're fucking wasted. He's about to leave and I just hear his fucking in the parking lot of Ojos. And he's like, start doing a burnout. And then it stops real quick and you just hear, bah! Like, what the hell? Look over, it's in the back of a fucking Platinum F-150. Just smash that bitch.
You gotta check the gas?
Fine now.
You're good.
As long as it's good for the 8th mile, you'll just feel it. Just
You told me about the scramble. I'm about to hit that bitch.
hit that motherfucker. If it hooks up, just grab that hoe.
Ah, that thing's sweet, dude. You taking that thing off any sweet jumps?
If you haven't already, guys, like and subscribe to our videos so we can actually afford some decent cameras.
You need to come out with an iPhone with the rotary dial, like my grandma's.
They got the Bluetooth ones.
Yes,
You can just hook up to your phone and put it in your house and it works.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me guess, Amazon owns that too? They fucking posted a picture of Jeff Bezos fucking all jacked. They're like, goes to space once and don't know how to act. Trying to be like Pitbull. He launched it, so he got scared and shifted.
Wasn't a lot of boost or what?
It's just soft down low. You shifted early though, huh?
75, 78. Went 530s. Turn it up. The scramble doesn't do anything, by the way.
You grab the scramble?
I tested it just to see if I would feel it.
It'll do something. It's just not.
It's not like in the movies where it's like.
Well, it's only five more on the dome.
Oh, see if you can see where I hit it. I think I just get paranoid because I always think like I'm gonna miss it.
So what, you bumped the limiter one time. What's gonna happen?
How much boost was that, Aldo?
I don't know. I can't see it.
Oh.
Probably 31 pounds, 32 pounds.
So you're saying if I would have rolled it out a little more, I would have hit a 7? Yeah.
It fucking.
Yeah,
Then it
it's like,
fucking.
you shift to high gear, and it pulls, but it's not like as hard as it should.
Yeah, I mean, we picked up 10th maybe from going up 100 RPM, up in all the boosts, even down low. The only thing that could be robbing this car of power right now is converted.
John said the RPM looks rough, like it's misfiring. You think it's the plugs?
It's gotta be.
You got something to gap these plugs with, Aldo?
I could do without these valve covers. Ooh. Spicy meatball. Hi.
You want that to barely be able to go in there. Like so.
Look, bro. I'm about to email TIG Vision and be like, bro.
Maybe it looped. Maybe it wasn't tight enough, and it kind of caught it as it came out.
It's been windy, so.
Yeah. I will bend it off now.
I was gonna fix that. Forever Levi. Levi can die, can fucking quit. Be like, I got you in the shop forever, bitch. Captured in this moment. Roland's like, call that for only 758. Like, let me know how much you need to go 6s. I said, alright, buddy, send me 30K. I'll get a better motor. Coronavirus.